2019 BMW M2 competition. Two-door coupe. Very sexy car. I love it. We did something special on it too. Let me show you guys. See, there's the M2 right there in bullet silver. It looks good. I like it. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. We took it down after the downpipes. They still got factory catted downpipes. So we unbolted it there. Those bolts were fun, but my guy, I don't know how he does it, but he does. We took them off and ran a full Valvetronic system bolt on. The Valvetronics does this to make them all equal length. So if you guys wonder why the loops is to make it equal length all the way through. They did the same thing on this side. And this is the Valvetronic designs. They change it. I like how they do that right there. And then it's got an H pipe into a Y pipe, 3-inch pipe, where it bolts into the valve right there from the factory. So they have it compatible with it right there. And then there's the sexy Valvetronic Special Ops muffler. So when the valve opens, it becomes straight pipe. When the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler out the back on this side, as you guys can see. So really nice design. There's the tip number on it. If you guys want to get the tip by itself, that's the part number on that. Air Metal Valor. So we appreciate his service as always. There's the old exhaust system that was on it. As you guys can see from the condition of the downpipes, they were rough. It's an Ohio car and these are resonators. They are not cats. So that's a first set of resonators, second set of resonators, and then the muffler. The original muffler comes with 2 valves. We only installed 1 valve because the system only came with 1 valve. So I don't know. I asked the customer, he said, just go ahead and install it. I said, okay. But there's the complete system that we took off. And here's the part numbers for it right there. M2 competition equal length valve sport exhaust. There it is right there. That's the part number and that's the whole system. All right. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. We're about to let you guys hear it. 2019 BMW M2 competition. Here we go with Valvetronic designs. See how it closed? It's a cold start, guys. That's idle. Sound decibels on idle. About 75. Go ahead and give it gas. So that's the valve closed. That's with the valve closed right now. It sounds good. Still clean. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. So it's right at 89 with the valves closed. Again. Yeah, he opened the valve up. So now valve's open. What a huge difference. Big difference. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. 120. Again. 121. Again. That way you guys can see the sound decibels while it's doing it. Wow, that sounds good. Close it. Go ahead. Difference. So valves closed. Again. Open it. Valves open. Huge difference. Drive off is going to be crazy. Again. There's that crack on the top. It just warmed up, so. There's with the crack. Wow. clean idle even with the valves open. Look how clean the idle is. Still quiet. Rev it. Go ahead and back it up. M2 competition. Here we go. Valves closed. Go ahead. So it's very, very quiet. All that smoke you guys are seeing, it's cold and the weather's cold. And it's all the oil's burning from the manufacturing of the mufflers. Again. Go ahead. Valves closed, okay? Valves are open. Go ahead. Changes the whole sound of it. Again. I love the pop. That's crazy. Again. Sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside. So this is M2, valves closed, okay? First drive off. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. Valves closed, guys. Valvetronic Designs, Special Ops. See how it opens up automatically when it gets to a certain speed? I love that about a BMW. That's awesome. That sounded really good even for a closed. Just wait till it opens. It's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned. Now valves open. What a beast. It's a crazy sound coming out of such a little car. You know? I like it. Let's see what she sounds like with valves open. That's nice. What do you guys think? Valvetronics, you did it again, man. That sounds amazing. Hope you guys like it.